I've been reading them out for a long time, and it ain't a good thing. It was in the movie 2012.
Nowadays, hidden underneath Yellowstone National Park right now, something that has shocked scientists. These are just super cool pictures. This super volcano with a cavern of magma far bigger than anyone had predicted. In fact, so big that scientists say an eruption would be catastrophic. So, Chad Myers, we talked to you, of course, about super volcanoes. And they knew it was there, but can you explain how the hot springs, the geysers, the study has just discovered the actual size? How big is this thing?
We have always known it was a caldera. We always knew it was a supervolcano under a weak spot, a thin spot in the crust where the magma is close to the surface, between maybe a mile and 10 miles, depending on the point of view there. And we always knew it was there. But up here in the northwest part of Wyoming, we now believe it's 1,000 square miles. 50 miles one way by 20 miles the other way, and a magma chamber below the surface of 100 cubic miles of molten rock.